the more that we say, is the less. The more we communicate, is the less we really say. So right now we're in a modern society. We have a lot of technologies, such as Facebooks, Instagrams, and Line. It's so easy to communicate nowadays, right? So we just pick our phones up and we just use our fingers to write our text and send it to each other. We can't even like record our voice, send our pictures, many things, right? But why do people feel more lonely nowadays? Why do people feel more isolated? It's because it's so easy right now to like communicate. It's so easy. We're addicted to our phones. We're addicted to content such as Reels, TikTok, and it's called doom scrolls, right? And it's caused dopamine addict to our brains, and that makes us addicted to our phones, and we really like just we talk to face less. And I think the solution to that is maybe we have to get some more physical activity together, such as playing sports, such as physical dating more. And yeah, I think it's so hard to fix our problem now today, and technology is more like improving every day, you know. Thank you.